Hello friends, welcome to uh, this new lecture to set up the environment of Oracle for data pump. So set up this environment, what type of software we need. You here mentioned, you can see, first of all, we need a virtual box. Second one is ISO file for Linux 7.8. Third one is Linux Oracle database, and I will explain where you can download, and I also try to attach all this software in your course. So I'm starting from here. Okay, so go to Google. Here, write VirtualBox. Go to the download option. I'm using Windows operating system. So if you are using Mac OS, Linux, or Solaris, you can download according to your uh, host machine. I have Windows, so I'm downloading this Windows because I have already this software, so I'm not going to download. Second one is to download the ISO file of Linux operating system. So go to the browser and simply write Oracle eDelivery. Log in with your credentials because I already logged in. So, okay, because I already logged in, so it didn't ask any password. Here, write Oracle Linux 7 to 7.8. So you can see here it already download in your item. Continue, select 64-bit and then continue. Check the license agreement, then continue. Here you need to check which software you're going to download. So we doesn't need any virtual drivers, not required, drivers not required, not required, DVDs not required, UEK boot ISO no. So here just need to ISO file of 7.8 Oracle Linux and go and download. It download the software which is 106 MB. Click on the software and you will able to download the OS. Okay, so I'm not going to download because I already have, and yeah, that's it. Here you can see I have already downloaded this IS. This property is this is 4.5 GB. Uh, we have VirtualBox, we have ISO file of Linux. Just open the our VirtualBox. Here we can open. Click on new button. Sorry, new button. Here you can write your operating system name like Linux, your name or anything, Linux G. Uh, you can choose your operating system. So folder, okay, ISO file, operating system, where you going to, so I have choose this one, okay, and okay, so you need to click this skip unattended installation, will save your time. Next, how many memory you are sharing with this ISO file or operating system. So just give it 3 GB. How many CPUs? Give it to 3. Next, uh, just share 50 GB because 20 GB is not enough. Go next, finish. Okay, so we have Linux, which have property. We can see in settings. Uh, First of all, go to the system. We have 3 GB of memory, approximate 3 GB of memory. Uh, Multi-touch. It's like a multi-touch tablet or touchpad. Okay, enable required display, storage, audio, network. Network should be bridge adapter in advance, allow all, and USB controller interfaces. Okay, so here system, copy, network, multi-touch. Okay, okay. Now click on start. So preparing virtual box. Click on install Oracle 7.8. It will take some times. So here choose English. English is okay. After that, check the time and date. Time is India. Timing is okay. Done. Language is okay. Installation software. All done. Software. Choose server with GUI. In this OS, we need KDE. Not KDE, mainly. Just a minute. System administration tool, security tool, compatibility virtuals tools, WAD, and network file system, and Java platform. Okay, everything is okay. And here we done. Installation automatic. Yeah, automatic done. Network. local host, yes, local host, make it on, done. Okay, so this taking. Okay, so now we can begin the installation. Set the root password, create user, like my name is Vivek, so I'm creating with my name. Create with your name. Oh, sorry. Just a minute. V is double. Okay, so here. Okay, done. So I will fast forward it to reduce the time because it will take, I think, approx half an hour. So I'm going to pause the recording. When it install, I will restart the recording. So now you can see here our installation is completed successful. I'm going to reboot. So just a minute, making it big and reboot. Accept the license. Done. Okay, network is okay. Everything is okay. Connected. Finish configuration. So now our installation is completed, successful. Root, password. Okay, so this is post after post installation it will pop up. Okay, we can skip it. Start. Okay, go to application, system tool, console. So after this installation, what we need, check the config. Okay, here you can check our IP address is 192.168.29.243. So after this installation, when it complete, what is your next step? Our next step is to download the putty. How you will get this putty? Go to browser, right here putty. This is first link. Click here download putty. You will see here is a 64-bit for Windows. If you're using Linux, you can choose putty according to your operating system. So here I'm going to install because I already have. So you need to click here 64-bit 86 and it will install because I already have. So I will open this putty. New session. So our IP address is 192.168.29.243. I'm right if I'm right. Check 198.168.29.243. 243. Okay. So server name is G. So underscore G underscore G. I'm going to save this one. Then accept 123. No, sorry. Root and then his password. Now it's connected. You can access your machine from host machine, virtual machine from your host machine. So PuTTY is very powerful tool to access uh, from remotely. You can check it from fconfig. Okay, so our IP address is this. Good. Uh, so our next step is to install Oracle database. Go to the browser right here, download 19C for Oracle database Linux. Yeah, this is the uh, .zip file. This one is the .zip file. You can install it because I already have, so I'm not going to install. You can see here there is a multiple RPM file, and here is a grid infrastructure file, not database, and gsm.zip file, gsm gateway. So there are multiple, but we need to download this one, Linux 19300 db home.zip. Here you can see I already downloaded. Next one is to download VNSCP. So for VNSCP, right here, download VNSCP. You can download it from here or download for Windows. It, for other downloads, you can check for the Linux or other downloads are here. Other downloads if you're using Mac OS or Linux. So I think it's only available for Windows. Okay, because of I already downloaded this software, I'm just going to open VNSCP. Put your host name 192.168.983. There and password. Now it's connected. You can check desktop. Yeah, desktop. Go to me, and here is our file. And go to download and drag and drop. It will copy from host machine to the virtual machine. Now here our database.zip file is completed successfully. Copy from host machine to virtual machine, and we can check it from here. Let's download 30. You can see here. Now it's everything is done. Our next step is to download. There is software named Xming. So here you can download Xming. Go to Google and here is Xming. You can download it from here because I already downloaded, so I'm not going to download here. So here when I try to install this software, that time I'm not able to record the that window, so I will paste here some screenshot. Please make sure to install X launch of Xming and uh, select option showing here. I'm already take the screenshots. So this one, please make sure you click on X launch wizard and all this option are selected. Second one is click on create desktop icon X launch and create click on create desktop icon on Xming. Okay, so these steps you need to follow and just make sure your Xming is working like this. Click on X launch, it will create like this. Okay, so make sure it is enabled. I'm going to putty where going to new session in logs. Go to here X11, enable X11 up in save this session. Try to open. Okay, you can see here we are login and to install everything we need to follow some steps. So we just wait. So here I mention you this Xming file should be running mode and here how to install. First of all, uh, we have script details. All details are here. I will share this all details with this videos. So here all details. I'm going to um, okay, going to vi etc/host. Okay, so here what we can do, Just copy these details, paste, sort. Click, escape, WQ, enter. Okay, so we set our server name for Oracle. You need to install prerequisite of 19C. Sure you are connected to internet. Here we can see now our command is working fine. I think it will take some time. Okay, so the next step is to update the operating system, and it completed successful. So now updation is completed successful, and here are some groups we need to create. Okay, I'm going to create all groups. Some of maybe exist. So uh yeah, some of them are maybe already exist. So it will show already exist. Whenever uh, mock group is already exist. Create Oracle password, Oracle user. Okay, now Oracle user is created. Uh, Now go to the particular location and change its SE Linux permissive. Here VI location, make it insert SE Linux. This one, change it to permission. It is okay. So now it's completed. Post permission systemctl stop and start. Sorry, disable. Simplify. So create the all directories. Now here all directories are created. Prerequisite are completed successfully. So uh, ct ls rt Code. Okay, so copy star everything from this location to this location. Because of maybe 2 GB to into 2.5 GB, so it will take time. Now here is copied, and now I'm going to unzip the directory. But make sure login as a Oracle and change the permission ch on Oracle install change the permission. Yeah, yeah. Ch okay. And uh to su hyphen Oracle, go to the particular location. Siphon Bharti. Okay, so uh, here run this command. I will share all command resource. Now it is unzipped successfully, and we'll run this installer command. Make sure your X launch is working successfully, and it will not work, it will throw error. Okay, once again I'm going to log in. Here you can see here uh, window is pop up. Make sure your X launcher is working. Okay, so according to the script, here click on create configure single instance. So here I am clicking on single instance, create configure single. Do next. Server class, I think, yeah, server class. Second one is server class. Go to the server class and enterprise edition. Third one is enterprise edition. Yeah. Next. Fourth one, choose the location of Oracle home. Oracle home location is correct. Now next. And yeah, it's ls inventory. Here create inventory. So yes, Aura inventory. Next. Uh, General purpose. Yes. Next one is ORCL. So remove this click and give the global database name. I'm putting here database name is PRS01 Pro. Okay, and next. Okay, so here everything is good. I'm going to increase weightage is 40. 40 total weight increase. Okay, so next tried it's more than 41% memory uses. Okay, and next is Aura data. Okay, so yeah, okay, next and okay, next enable recovery. Yes, I want to enable the recovery. Next, okay, I want to set one password. So yes, next, yes. Okay, so here just change the db opera to install and here change the install, make it install. Install. Okay, next. Go to next automatic run configuration script. Okay, it's completed successfully. So going to install. So here is the output we get to run this script as a root. So we're going to run the script as a root. To execute the configuration script, open a terminal window, login as a root. Yeah, okay. Going as a root. First one is completed. Now second one is so both completed successful. We can click on OK. Now you can see here database installation is completed successfully. I'm going to log in my putty. Okay. So